Dani Lee. I live and work on a cruise ship. Welcome back to another vlog.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
This is my roommate Ash. We live and work on board a cruise ship. We've been performing these shows for the past 9 months and it's officially closing night. Hey guys, it's me, Dani Lee. I live and work on a cruise ship, and today we're closing one of our shows that we perform every week. I'm so excited. I'm going to take you guys along with us. Let's go. Nice. Closing night, how do you feel?
I feel really tired because I was up till like 4 a.m. But I'm really excited to close. This is technically my 4th time closing effective for me.
Wow.
Whoa, so this is nothing.
It's my 4th time closing it. Maybe it's the last time.
Maybe, you never know.
I never know.
You never know when it could be the last. This is my hairdresser, Joshua, and this will be the last time that he braids my hair for wig prep. So I'm just getting a little bit emotional. Sorry guys, let's try to see together.
Oh, let's get bored it.
Shout out Josh. I love you. Thanks for always doing my hair. I'm just pre-setting my costume pieces, which means I'm putting them in order how I get dressed to make our quick changes even quicker. This is Hannah. She's just signing some cards backstage. We've got a birthday coming up and someone leaving. Contributor, team player. We just finished our last tech run. Now we're going to eat some lunch in the mess.
Something we all need to know. If you want to keep that healthy glow, remind your friends in curious terms, but spread the word and not the germs. Wash your hands, it's the right thing to do. It's easier when you only have to. Wash your hands, keep them clean, oh yeah. Hey, hey, wash your
For lunch today, got a salad and pasta with shrimp and rice. Joshua is having chicken pasta. Yum. So I've got these little duckies and these little cards to give everyone because it's our closing night and because I feel like a lucky duck. Congratulations. So I'm just gonna put these on people's spots so that when they come back to get ready for the show, they have a little lucky duck to take home with them. We're back in our cabin. Ash is scrapbooking and watching How to Train Your Dragon 2. And then we're just gonna relax and take a nap. This is what we call professional wig prep. Joshua only charges $46 an hour.
But I wish.
And now my wig cannot fall out because it will be secured to my braids. Black tracks check. This is one of my besties, Sing.
Yeah, this is the G, huh?
He's
The
our-
original gangster.
He's our sound tech, and
Oh yeah.
bro, he was supposed to leave this week, but he loves us so much, he's gonna stay. He's gonna stay even
You wanna go
longer.
full out, huh?
Yeah, all the way. So this is my vlog.
Hi, vlog. Oh my god.
This is Tanner.
This is the last black track check for the first show. Right? Let's get excited, guys.
Let's go. My mom gave these to the showgirls. Utah.
Every show since. Never missed a show.
Thanks, Mom.
Thanks, Mom.
No, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3.
I got 6! Get off your tits! 1, 2, 3! Woo! That's lovely!
Happy birthday, everybody.
No, thank you. Wow, we did it. We officially closed. We're all done with the effect. Thanks for joining the vlog. Catch you in the next one.